Ayan
Wow.
guys, I really love it.
Wow.
Ayan, ang ganda guys. Ayan. Chiren guys, ayan, I wanna show you my beach outfit for today. Ayan guys, pack na pack yung ating black color. Ayan oh, ayan po, I really love it. Ayan guys. Ayan po, ayan po. Ang lakas naman talaga makaganda nito, guys. And meron pa tayong ano, guys, red color niyan. Ayan po. I really love it. Ayan, guys. So, ayan, ang lakas makaganda nito. Ang lakas makaslim. Ayan, guys. Kailangan ko lang talaga mag-exercise, guys. Diet and exercise. Ayan, para gumanda yung ating body figure. Ayan, guys. So, pampaliit ng tummy. Ayan, ganyan-ganyan lang. Ayan, kailangan ko na talagang gawin yan, guys. Ayan. I really love
Wow.
it. Ayan po. Yung aking beach outfit for today. Wow! Ang ganda niya, guys. And meron pa tayong color red, guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo, guys, kung alin yung mas bet nyo doon. Mas bet nyo sa aking beach outfit. Ayan, guys. Ito naman yung ating color red. Ayan, I really love it, guys. Ayan, ang lakas makaputi nitong ating color red. Ayan, ito lang naman yung aking mga paboritong kulay, guys. Yung ating color red, black, yellow, ayan, pink. Ayan po yung aking mga favorite color, guys. Ayan, ang ganda naman talaga nito. Ang lakas makabata nitong ating beach outfit for today, guys. Ayan po, oh, ayan, guys. Ayan. Ayan, guys, kung alin ang mas bet nyo sa akin, black ba or red?